In this video, you are going to learn how I made this beautiful presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. To be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Now go to Design, go to Format Background, go to Solid Fill and select a fill color from here. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline, go to Shape Fill and select a fill color. Now click on right button and click on Edit Points and click on this black box. Use this handle to adjust it. Adjust it like this. And here this is perfect. Now again go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline, go to Shape Fill and select this fill color. Click on right button and click on Edit Points. Click on this black box and use this handle to make it like this. And this is perfect. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rounded corner rectangle shape and hold down the Shift key and drag it over here. Go to Shape Fill, make it this fill color, go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Double click over here and let me write here logo and bold it and increase the size. Now select it, go to Shape Format, go to Shape Effect, go to Shadow and click on Offset Center. Press Ctrl D to duplicate and keep it over here. Hold down the Shift key and reduce the size. Remove this text and keep it like this and change the fill color to white color. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, select this teardrop shape. Hold down the Shift key and drag it like this. Rotate it. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Increase the size and place it over here. Now go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. I have to insert a picture from my computer. Let me insert this picture. Click on Insert. Hold down the Shift key, increase the size. Click on right button and send it to back. Select the picture, hold down the Ctrl key and select the shape. Go to Shape Format, Merge Shape, click on Intersect. Go to Picture Format, go to Picture Border, make it white border. Go to Picture Border, go to wide and increase the point to 6 point. Now I have to add some text. Let me copy this text from this slide. Ctrl C to copy and paste it over here. You can easily add some text box and you can add this text like this here. So this is very simple actually. Now I have to add some animation in the text. Now select this text. Go to Animation, click on Fly In. From the Effect option, click on From Right. Change the duration to 2 seconds. Go to Effect option and increase the bounce in. Now let me watch the slideshow from very beginning. Go to Slideshow and click on From Current Slide and here you will see this is looking very beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you are very lazy to make this slide, just check the description. You will find the download link over there.